In this video, I'll show you how to delete your browsing history in Microsoft Edge so you can clear past activity quickly and safely. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. This opens the browser's main settings page. On the left side, click Privacy, Search and Services. Scroll down until you find the Clear Browsing Data section, then click Choose what to clear. A panel will appear where you can control exactly what gets removed. At the top, select a time range. You can choose options like last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, or all time. If you only want to remove recent activity, choose a shorter time range. If you want a full reset, select all time. Make sure browsing history is checked. This deletes the list of websites you visited during the selected time period. You can also choose to clear cookies or cached images if needed, but remember that clearing cookies may sign you out of websites. Once you've selected what you want to remove, click Clear Now. Edge will process the request and your browsing history for the chosen time range will be deleted. That's it. Open Settings, go to Privacy, Search and Services, choose what to clear, select your time range, check browsing history and click Clear Now.